Have you ever noticed two currencies acting the exact same? So, as one currency pair falls, the other one falls as well? Or maybe you've noticed two currency pairs are acting as opposites, kind of like in this picture. If you saw this and thought you were crazy, you're not. This is what currency correlation is. It's the relationship between two currency pairs, and it tells us if they move in the same, opposite, or totally random direction over a certain period of time. Think about it. Since we are trading currencies in pairs and not just single currencies, a lot of these pairs have one of the same currencies. So a lot of these pairs move in relation to each other. It's very important to be familiar with this because it can really affect the amount of risk you are trading with. For example, if you are trading two pairs that move in the exact same direction and you are in a buy on both pairs, it's as if you doubled up your trades on a pair and thus increased your risk. This is why knowing the correlating pairs is so important. Do not be ignorant about correlations. Before we dive a little deeper into this module, I want to mention what correlation coefficient means. The correlation coefficient of two currency pairs ranges between -1 and 1. A perfect positive correlation of 1 tells us that two currency pairs move in the same direction 100% of the time. A perfect negative correlation of -1 tells us that two currency pairs move in the opposite direction 100% of the time. And if the correlation is 0 here in the middle, this tells us that the movement between the two pairs has no correlation. They are independent from each other and move at random. The way one pair moves tells us nothing about the way the other pair is moving. So now we are going to move on to the rest of this module, and I'm going to teach you about how you can use currency correlation to help you make better risk management decisions as a trader.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.